Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a fascinating topic, Bitcoin ATMs versus traditional ATMs. They might look similar at first glance, but these machines serve entirely different purposes. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Let's start with the classic, the traditional ATM. These machines are a staple of our daily lives. Linked directly to your bank account, they let you withdraw cash, check balances, deposit money, or transfer funds. Traditional ATMs rely on centralized banking networks, and you typically need a debit or credit card to access your funds. They're perfect for quick cash or basic account services, but they're limited to fiat currencies like dollars, euros, or yen. Now let's talk about Bitcoin ATMs. Unlike their traditional counterparts, Bitcoin ATMs deal exclusively with cryptocurrency, primarily Bitcoin, though some support altcoins like Ethereum or Litecoin. Here's how they work. Instead of pulling cash from your bank account, you can buy Bitcoin by scanning your crypto wallet QR code and inserting cash or using a debit card. Some machines also let you sell Bitcoin and withdraw cash. Think of it like this. Traditional ATMs connect you to the banking system, while Bitcoin ATMs connect you to the blockchain. Here's a quick breakdown of the main differences. Currency. Traditional ATMs handle fiat currency. Bitcoin ATMs deal in digital currency. Access. With traditional ATMs, you need a bank account and a card. For Bitcoin ATMs, you just need a digital wallet. Fees. Bitcoin ATMs often charge higher fees, sometimes up to 15%, compared to traditional ATMs, which usually charge a flat fee or small percentage. Speed. Transactions on Bitcoin ATMs can take longer since they depend on blockchain confirmation times. Anonymity. Some Bitcoin ATMs allow anonymous transactions, although many now require ID verification due to regulations. Traditional ATMs are fully tied to your bank account. As cryptocurrency adoption grows, we might start seeing hybrid ATMs that handle both cash and crypto, merging the best of both worlds. Imagine withdrawing Bitcoin and dollars from the same machine. So, there you have it, the key differences between Bitcoin ATMs and traditional ATMs. Which one do you think is the future of finance? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about Bitcoin ATMs, check out our site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.